Welcome to Wiser. Today I want to give you a walkthrough of our app Wiser for personalized product recommendations. So from your dashboard, the app section, you can access the app from here. The dashboard of Wiser looks like this. In the left panel, you see the product details page, home page, collection page, and all the pages of your store, the most important major pages of your store. The reason we have put together these pages that you can click to any of the pages like this, and you will see the widgets that you can activate on these pages, starting from the related products, recommended products inspired by your browsing history, which is an AI-based recommendation system, frequently bought together, recently viewed products, top selling, trending, new arrivals, and featured products. So total 9 widgets we have that you can activate or show on your store. You can also change the title of these widgets from here. Like if you want to give it a name like related items, recommended products, you can tell that. Like you can say you may also like. Okay. Inspired by your browsing history, you might have seen a similar widget, similar section on Amazon.com that says inspired by your views. So it's an AI-based recommendation system. Same way, you can also enable or disable the widgets from different pages like home page. On the home page, you can show the same widgets like this. We have option to show the widgets on cart page, thank you page, 404 page, and also you can show the recommendations on your blog posts. We have settings for these widgets, like frequently bought together has a different setting you can configure. Related products has a different setting that you can configure. Recommended products is like setting up the recommendations manually. Like you want to pick individual product that you want to show under each product. So we call it a hand-picked recommendation system. So you can configure it from here. We will do another video to explain the functionality of each and every of these options. Okay. The customize widgets section, by which you can customize the look and feel and design of these widgets. Like our app is fully customizable. You can do anything with this app by these options and also by using the CSS classes of our app. So it's very flexible and very customizable. And you can also see the preview by changing the options here and then save. On the website, it looks like this. So this is our demo where you can see the featured collections, top selling products. This is a client's store, like a live user, where they are showing the related products, and they have also customized as per their store's branding. This is a kids apparel store where you can see they have activated some widgets like related products, recently viewed, top selling products. And when the user click on add to cart, the product directly added to the cart. Here is another live user example how it looks. So every user can customize the widgets as per their store's branding, and it's very easy to use. We also have an email recommendation system by which you can get the widgets and export and add it in your email templates. The analytics shows you the complete detailed analytics, like the conversions our app is doing for your store. In terms of conversions, you can see the sales by each page, sales based on widgets, and also you can see the orders generated by the app. So we have an in-depth analytics that you will not see in any other app. So our app also shows you the ROI, or you can say the conversions from the recommendation widgets from your store. So it helps the user in identifying the products that they want to buy and help them in their buying decisions. So these are the widgets, and I showed you how to configure that. So in case you need any help, any assistance in setting up the app, setting up the widgets, or configuring the app look, you can simply reach out to us by clicking on the help and support tab here, or by the live chat option at the bottom right of your screen. Our support team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions regarding the pricing of the app, you can click here to know the pricing here in the FAQ section. Our app charges based on the revenue generated by the app. So it's free until it generates $50 revenue per month. Above that, it start charging your store. So how we calculate the revenue by our app? You can simply check the FAQ section here. It will tell you how we calculate. Hope you enjoyed the app. Thank you.